Hello and welcome back, dudes and dudettes. This is your guy, Light Liger here, and today we're going to be talking about mining. It's been a while since I've done that, and more specifically, we're going to be focusing on mobile mining and also on simulated mining. And the difference between the two is simulated mining is basically just having the app on and it's mining for you without using the resources on the phone, whatever is your data plan or the hardware of the phone itself. So it's basically kind of like not real mining, but it's basically requiring you to have the application on or at least check in or something. And we're going to be going through 5 different projects in this video. We're not going to be taking a too deep dive on each one of them, but kind of enough to give you kind of an idea of the earning potential. I know a lot of my people are watching my videos on mobile devices, and maybe they want to also have an option to earn with the mobile devices because they don't have the money to participate on normal mining instead. And I might do more specific videos on some of these projects on a future date. In case you know more mobile mining or simulated mining projects, please leave the tips down below in the comments section. In case you want to work on some sponsored content, hit me up at lightliger@protomelt.com. But let's jump into it. Starting with simulated mining, we have P Network. I have already an individual video about this project. I believe it is run by a team who is from, I believe, Stanford University or was it Berkeley University? Some very, very high level of a university in America. I think it was in California, if I remember right. And yes, this is actually Stanford. So you have a lot of big people from Stanford actually building the MineP, which is very popular. They have already 1 million devices. I don't think that is actually 1 million people who are participating. This is simulated mining. So basically you download the application, you join a network, so you can join under me, and basically you will be getting a portion of our rewards and also rewards. You have to check in every 24 hours to toggle in the mining. And it is not tradable yet. It hasn't actually launched yet. So it's kind of like it has your shares stored and how much you have done so far, but there hasn't not been the actual blockchain is still in development or how that's going to be turning out. And there will be halvings happening on the network as more milestones of people are joining into the network. And remains to be seen when it's going to be actually launching, but I still toggle into it now and then. And, you know, in case it's going to be big one day, because as I said, you have kind of big people behind it, and the app is at least working, but it could be total like vaporware of a product as of right now, but there's a lot of people who have joined into it and actually believe. I think the Pi node is also one option, but does require, to my belief, some type of a verification, if I remember right. But it is available on Android devices, and I believe might be also on iOS. Yes, it is on iOS. So if you're going to be sign under me and join my network, and you will be benefiting from the download or the shares of our network. Moving on, we have Thundercore, another project that I have done a full dedicated video on earlier on the channel. They have this TD mining thing going on their mobile wallets, which basically means that you will be getting rewards just by signing in. So sign up under my referral link. It's in the screen. And basically you sign in, you get a sign up bonus, and then it will start automatically mining for you. This is simulated mining once again, not actual mining. And this simulated mining also will give you daily check-in rewards. Sometimes it can be 100 TT, 10 TT, 5 TT. This is already listed coin, and it also offers, it is kind of like XDAI, so it's an Ethereum layer 1 solution. So I, for example, sent my USDT into the Thundercore app, and I'm actually gaining interest on that throughout the app. And by joining under a referral, you get 1% bonus on your interest. There are other competitions and dApps you can also access from the actual wallet, and it is a custodial wallet, so you non-custodial to my understanding, but if you have uncertainties, you can always move the funds into your Trust Wallet, which also supports it. Trust Wallet also has a faucet for TT in case they're going to be removing this feature away of the sign up giveaway from the app in the future. You can always get the faucet from there and then basically just get started on those interests. But yeah, I think it's a pretty good and interesting simulated mining experience. Now we're going to be moving into kind of like a real mining of sorts. And the first thing we have is Anakum. This I actually participated on when they had bounties going on. Back then I didn't really look into it. And it started as a Ethereum token, and the Ethereum tokens still exist, and you can swap them into the mainnet. And this one is, basically hosting, mobile masternodes. And it's using the IoT, Internet of Devices, which means that basically mining with any device possible there. The Android application is, it will not drain the battery of the mobile device and requires very regular specifications of the phone, Android 4.4, which is very old, and 1 gigahertz processor and 1.5 gig of RAM. And basically, you need 25 Anakum in order to start. That's a good thing, and I'm going to tell you why. Because with a lot of these, let's say MineP or Thundercore or Electroneum, for example, in the past when they used to have that mobile mining thing, the problem was that people were just, creating and mining with their multiple phones, and basically one person would be, referring himself and etc. and stuff like that. So this requires an initial staking. 25 ENQ is literally like, I think 40 cents or something, and it's on a lot of exchanges already. I think it's on KuCoin even, and it's on, it's in like 6-7 exchanges right now. I think it's in GraviX as well, and you will be getting a better and higher return on the ENQ if you are going to be signing under my referral link there. This is like a weird QR code. It is not on Play Store, the miner that is. The wallet itself is on Google Play, but the miner itself is actually on, have to download the AP key, which I did, and I've been using it so far. It's pretty good in my opinion. There's a lot of nodes already in the places, and here are, by the way, the exchanges: KuCoin, Probit, and GraviX. A lot of big partners, and I think it's actually a pretty good option. And there's like a mining and also staking inside the one app, so there's two different choices there what to go for essentially. So definitely something to look into. And then we have MiB Token, which is basically a mineable coin through phone only. I believe it's not available to anything else. It's on its own chain. And basically, it actually pays you relatively well. Like, you can make like real money with your phone, if like a standard phone, if you're going to be down mining with maximum thing. And there's always an option to, basically mine on a, when you're in school or your workplace, bring your charger on and bring it with you. Obviously, if you're going to be mining with the maximum, there might be a chance that your phone might get damaged in some rare occasions, but obviously you're going to be doing your own setup there. What is best, obviously, it does offer you a low system, and I've been using it now and then on my second phone, and I use it basically to mobile MIB, and I think it's valued okay as of right now. It's not super, and you can actually use multiple mobile phones, and that is definitely fine. And that's something you can do with, and there's multiple nodes that go into the whole thing. And as our last project, we have Scala, which is also another one that has been created for mobile and Android devices. I've been trying it out myself. This one does require, specs from your actual phone. So better phone you have, the better mining experience will be. It's also something that is kind of created for PC mining as well. And it's kind of used, it's a privacy coin, by the way. So it's actually pretty nice. And it's a light depot solution, so they kind of have like their own type of security or a fork of sorts, and it's actually not too bad. And I've been trying it for 1 day now, and I'm looking into reporting some of my things about it. Also exchange listed, and the wallet is there. It's lightweight, so you don't need to sync in the whole whole node or the blockchain. And basically, you will be getting, pretty good payments, and it also show you all the CPU statistics and everything. So it's pretty nice. And basically all Android devices are mining. Is it available on iOS? I do not know. But that is pretty much my rundown of these 5 applications. So mobile mining is a thing. You can make some money out of it if you have some spare mobile phones, and you can access electricity. I would bet that the electricity acquisition cost there is you're going to be winning money. I haven't done like full run on best phones and everything, and so those are going to be differing quite a lot, and some people don't necessarily have the same electricity access points as everybody else does. However, thanks for watching for this video, and make sure to sign under me, obviously, throughout the links if you have the possibility. I'm also going to be leaving some exchange links in case you want to be buying some of these coins as well. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Cheers.